Hi, my name is Charlotte Anderson and I'm a civil engineering student at McGill University. I recently finished an internship at FPInnovations under the Carbon and Market Economics group. While I got to work on a few different projects, my main role involved researching Canadian housing needs and opportunities for affordable wood housing. Through independent research and close collaboration with my team, I felt like I was able to produce something that I am proud of and that will make a difference. Whether with other interns, my team, or familiar faces at the lunch table, I felt really integrated at FPInnovations. I absolutely recommend an internship here for the flexible, welcoming work environment and for the amazing colleagues that you will get to work with.